it's Corey again from Jacoby Company doing window treatments, but now we're doing window treatments in my friend Deb's beautiful closet, which we absolutely love. You can see her amazing shoes, and oh my God, Deb, you have more shoes? Oh my God, they're so funny.
I do. My hidden collection.
I love you. Can I just live in here?
I do.
Well, the problem we had here is Deb has beautiful clothes, but her clothes, she partials herself to black.
Yes, I do.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Which
As
fades.
Which fades, exactly. So we had to address her window treatment here. And so what we did was, what do we do, Deb?
We put in a honeycomb shade that I'm going to have Gary demonstrate how it works, but it opens and closes. I like to have the light, but then I also know that I have to worry about fading, something I didn't know I had to worry about until you told me.
Exactly.
So we put one in.
Yes. And so the closet's fantastic. We've saved her a million shoes and her beautiful outfits, right? And now but hopefully you need more room for more.
I do.
I mean, is
my
there
husband's room is getting smaller and smaller here.
See you, Chris.